What's all this now?
What is it?
It's my phone. The buttons are freezing.
Let me see. Did you drop the phone in water? Bumi?
Okay, alright. It was a mistake. I had taken the phone to the bathroom because Chichi called me and I
Wait. You took your phone to the bathroom?
It was an important call, oh.
Okay. Now your phone has fallen inside water. Wait. I hope it's not...
No. It didn't fall into the toilet.
Okay. Fine. Two things. One, you have to get it fixed. Two, you and I know that Dad isn't going to give you the money to do that. Especially since he just bought this phone for you barely a month ago.
So how am I going to fix it now? Oh.
Hey, madam. Thank you for changing the channel. Oh. Apparently, I didn't happen to be watching that movie.
Oh, sorry. I wanted to show you guys something.
Are we missing something here?
Hello. This is Chilling with Kayla. I mean, this is the hippiest lifestyle program there is right now.
We know. So,
there's this segment they call the Mikasa segment. They actually called to ask if they can come film me at home. I know, right?
hate to bust your bubble, sis. But that's never gonna happen.
Why is it never gonna happen?
1 word, 5 letters. Daddy.
Oh, please, you guys, come on. Why do you always have to make Daddy look like some old, stiff-necked English principal? He's actually not like that. He's a very nice man.
Well, he might not be an old, stiff-necked English school principal. But I can guarantee you that he would never agree to it.
Shade, I hate to say that you're wrong, but you are wrong. Daddy's still not gonna have a problem with you. Trust me. Do you want to bet? Do you?
Rubbish.
But Daddy, what is wrong with this?
I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I just don't ponder to the idea of one's privacy being invaded by cameras and nosy crew members.
But Daddy, how else will people get to know you better if they do not spend a day with you?
Oh, they can spend a day with me, but not in my house. Tayo, the sanctity of one's privacy has got to be respected, and you know that.
But Daddy...
No but, young lady. If I were you, I'll concentrate on advancing my studies instead of running around chasing this thing.
Daddy...
I'm serious about this. After all, this was not what I sent you to school to study. Nevertheless, I was gracious enough to allow you to do your modeling. I'm off to bed. If anybody is looking for me, they know where to find me.
Sis, I hate to say you're wrong, but you are. We'll make it. Mikasa.
Hey. Did anybody die?
Tayo.
It's not what you think.
I'm holding a contract in my hand How do you expect me to think?
But the money is so good. Just look at what they want to pay me for a day of shooting in our house.
Wow.
Exactly. How do you say no to that?
But Dad,
I need you guys to help me deal with that, please.
you guys,
Yeah, see, the producer promised that it was going to be just 3 hours in the house. And once they're done, they're gone.
look, I really don't know about this.
Please now, Shade, help me. See, you know what? I'll give you some of the money when I get paid.
How much? Because with this amount, my cut had better be good.
Well,
Tayo, please, I need to borrow your earphones. What's wrong?
nothing.
What's wrong? Look at you.
Okay, fine. See, I need you to do a huge favor for me. Do you think you can help me get Daddy out of the house for 3 hours on Saturday?
And what's in it for me?
Money.
Money.
Fine. Lots of money.
Lots of money.
You like money at your age.
Will you help me on it? Cool.
Best dad in the world. Daddy,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Working, evidently.
Dad, don't you think you're always working too much?
Really?
Yes. You're always working. You never take time out to have fun.
Interesting. Considering the fact that you're always hounding me for money to buy one thing or the other. One has to work for the money, you know.
I know, but all work and no recreation.
Gives you a burnout real fast. Oh, hi, Dad.
Welcome, Shade.
Thank you.
How
Oh
is
my
work?
gosh. I can't feel my legs.
Bills have to be paid, my dear.
Yeah, but you have to make sure you're alive to pay those bills too.
Exactly. Really, Dad, I'm worried about you. I wouldn't bother if I wasn't worried about you, you know.
I know, and I appreciate it.
Okay. So, Dad, you take the break on Saturday, right?
Saturday?
Daddy.
What would I be doing at home all day?
Dad, I have the perfect plan for you. Here.
Wine tasting event?
Isn't that a great idea? I mean, you get to drink an assortment of wines, meet people, network. That should be fun.
Okay. Not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Okay. I should be ready in an hour. All right. Okay, I'm expecting you then. Bye. How far?
He will soon be ready. He was wearing his shoes when I last saw him.
Are you sure this event will take the whole day?
Tayo, if 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. isn't all day enough for you, I can't help you.
You should be out by now.
You better calm down. If you keep getting this agitated, Dad will suspect something and everything will scatter.
I know, I just wish you would hurry up.
Aw, Daddy, you look nice.
Thank you, dear. Not every time shirt and trouser. Sometimes you go African.
Okay, Daddy, so you have fun then?
Yes, I will try. You girls take care of the house.
They will.
Okay?
Dad. Bye, Dad.
Have fun, Daddy.
Oh, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Tayo, right?
Yes, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Gani from Purple Rain Productions.
Oh,
I believe Mr. Audrey told you that we would be coming here today.
yes, he did. Please come in.
Thank you. He also gave me a check for you. That's to be handed over once we are done with the show.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Hey, Aizen.
Hi, good morning.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. He had an issue with Mr. Audrey before we came down here.
Okay.
All right, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
All right, guys, come in.
Well, hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. All right. I was wondering, how long would it take? Because I was made to understand that it's just for 3 hours.
Yeah, it's for 3 hours, but all things being equal, you understand?
Excuse me?
Oh, don't worry. More often than not, things end up being equal.
You better be equal, because you have to be out of here in 3 hours. Let's start filming then.
Let's go.
Hey, you guys keep fooling around. If you don't get this lighting properly, I'm not going to shoot a frame here. Huh?
Hello, sir. You guys are really doing a great job.
Yes.
Don't worry, sir. Tayo is a natural. By the time you're done with your shoot, you'll be very, very happy. Sir, would you like anything? Like soft drinks, juice, water?
Yes, tell this joker to get my lightning properly. I'm sick and tired of this.
Okay. Scream diva.
You, Rachel. What's happening? Are they done yet?
They're still setting up.
Why? What's taking them so long?
I don't know. But if I were you, I wouldn't even bother to ask your director. That man behaves like he has coins. Like this.
Huh? You're crazy. Very funny. Let's just see if we can brush this side a little bit. I think so.
They've not started.
For where?
Hey, this was not the plan, no. This was not the plan. Eh? Tayo told us they'll be here for just 3 hours.
And time is going already.
Hey. In fact, the way I'm seeing it, it looks like these people will spend the whole day here. Oh.
Eh? What about Daddy? Is he on his way? Is he coming?
Hello, Daddy. We're fine, Daddy. Everything is all right. Yeah, we're just chilling at home.
Is he on his way back?
Daddy, are you on your way back? Oh. Okay. All right, Dad. See you later. Yeah, have fun.
They haven't finished.
1 hour gone already. Tayo, Daddy just called me now. He said he will be on his way back soon. Oh.
What? Look, if Dad comes back and see this, I'm so denying it right away. It is survival of the fittest though. Both of you already have jobs and I don't. If that touches my own pocket money, it is finished. I mean, I cannot cover for anybody. Joe.
Mr. Danny.
No, we are ready. That's it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good to go. So just come and have a seat and let's start right away.
By all means.
Thank God. Now what's
Your
left
thoughts?
is for us to pray that they finish in record time.
That's the thing.
Cut! Cut!
Okay, so they exceeded the target time by 30 minutes already.
Can they like live here now? If that comes in and sees them like this, I'm dead. Like D-E-A-D.
Thank you so much for being patient with us.
Yeah, it's fine. I understand. It happens sometimes. It's okay.
Alright, the money has promised.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll let you know when the show will be going on, Jess.
Yes, that's fine. I look forward to it. Thank you.
All right, you too. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Alright, let's go.
Bye, bye, bye.
Okay.
Bye. Yes. Yes. We did it. Yes. We have done it. Miss Screen Diva, please, while we are at it, can we have our hard-earned pay?
Yes, please. I need to go to the mall and heal myself of every tension your wonderful ship has caused me.
Yeah. At least let me feel the check. Daddy! Welcome, Daddy.
Yeah.
We missed you.
Well, then, we miss you so much.
Daddy, welcome. Sit down.
Sit down, Dad.
So, Dad, how was the exhibition? Did you have fun?
Yes, it was nice. Very interesting as well. How did you young ladies spend the day?
Oh, we TV.
Yes,
Yes,
we watched
Didi.
it.
Yeah.
I guess you girls have a way of catching your fun.
Yes, Daddy.
Dad, would you like something to eat? I actually made beans and plantain. Very delicious.
Thank you. I won't mind some.
Don't worry, I'll get it.
I forgot my tripod. Oh, good evening, sir.
Young man, who or what are you looking for?
I came to pick up my tripod.
You forgot?
Oh, yes, sir. We had a video shoot earlier. So while packing up, I forgot the tripod.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you girls have pretty good explanation for this.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention.
Dad, it was style shoot. I was just watching.
Dad, the beans and plantain. I'll be right back.
Yes, Dad. Let me get the plate with the beans and plantain.
What are you doing?
I'm engage in that mood so I can be sure if I can still ask him for the money for a new pair of sneakers.
You know she's going to kill you, right?
For what?
For throwing her under the bus like that.
I beg. It's survival of the fittest in this world. Nobody should blame me for anything.
Okay. Well, I don't see her when I come back.
Okay.
Strangers. In my own house. In my own kitchen. Is that how I raised you to be? To open up the privacy of my own home to the whole world because you want to be on television? Isn't being a model enough for you?
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Saying sorry is not going to cut it at all. You have to make a major penance for this so that you will learn your lesson. First of all, you have to redeem your promise to Bumi and Shade. Yes, Tayo. You made a promise to her and you have to redeem your promise, no matter what you did.
Okay, Daddy.
And secondly, there's a broken vase in the living room that you have to replace.
Daddy, that vase has been cracked a long time ago.
Now it's broken and you have to replace it. So?
Okay, Daddy. I'll fix it.
Good. Now you can go and sin no more.
Thank you, Dad.